if you're into AI space and if you follow us, you should know that there are so many LLM models in the market. And the best part is they release new models every month, right? And there are so many models for reasoning, coding, thinking purposes. And you say specialized agents, AI agents, they're using LLM models at the back. So which one you should use and which one is good for your use case? This is a very tricky question, which many a times I get my friends and with my families, which model we should use, which model we should go for a use case. So, well, we have a solution today for this problem. And the solution is OpenRouter. OpenRouter is a unified platform where you have access to all the models present in the market over right now. And you'll find many models at one place. So you have an ecosystem built where you'll find all the top-notch models available in the market at just one place. And the best part, you can converse, you can have a conversation with all those models at just one place. So without wasting any time, let's head towards the platform and let's explore what we can do with OpenRouter. What is it exactly? And this is even my first time I'll be exploring with you guys. So let's head towards the platform. And if you're new to this page, my name is Kev and you're watching AI Bros. Let's go. Okay, so we are at my screen and this is how OpenRouter looks like. And as I told you, a unified interface for LLMs, better pricings, better uptime, no subscriptions. So you just have to sign in. I've already done that. This is the chat section. This is where you browse all the models. They have shown the trending models right now. Let's just check. They have also given the LLM rankings. They have given rankings according to, I think, categories. Yeah, categories, role play, which model performed the best at the role play, and which model performed the best at programming. It is showing that February 3, 2025, 3.5 Sonnet performed really well at programming. Talking about technology, 3.5. I'm seeing 3.5 Claude 3.5 Sonnet a lot these days. So they have different kind of categories like science, translation, legal, finance, academia, trivia. They have their own trending list as well. Top today, top this week, top this month trending. I think that's this is changing now. And as you can see, this is pretty amazing. You can refer this list for your use case. Like if you're into marketing and if you want the top model which is performing into marketing, then you can just directly hop to OpenRouter, look for the model which is performing the best at marketing, and you can start using that model. Let's head towards the home page, where you can see they have an app showcase section. They have shown many different, I think these are all some AI agents which are powered by LLMs back there. So you get the list of the AI agents, the updated ones, which was the best this week, which was the best this month. So you get all these things at OpenRouter. The best part is the chat section, which I was talking about in the start. And this is how the chat section of OpenRouter looks like. You get the flagship model section, best role play model section. So the models which are great at role plays, you get all those models at one place. The coding models, you get all the coding models which are good at coding, you get them at one place. The reasoning models. So I'm personally a big fan of reasoning ones, so I'll head towards that. So it has its own suggestions that DeepSeek R1, OpenAI's O1, and Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking is great at reasoning. By the way, if you have not seen my video of Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, I've made a separate video on this model, and we have done quite few tests with some logical and some reasoning problems. We have done a lot of things over that video. You can find the video on my page. I'll also get you can basically find the video and the I button over here. All right, enough of talking. Let's get this straight. They have stated some predefined actions like the palindrome quest, alphabet series, career development, healthy lifestyle, small business strategies. The very famous question which you might have definitely seen, 9.9 versus 9.11. Which one is the larger number? The strawberry test. My God. poem riddle, personal finance. So I think we should start with the strawberry test. How many R's are there? Are there in the word strawberry? And we have some error. More credits are required to run this request. I think it requires more tokens for the O1 model, I feel, because R1 and Gemini 2.0 has started working already. Gemini 2.0 was quick in answering, and it answered correctly. Strawberry. There are 3 R's in the word strawberry, and R1 is still thinking a lot, and we'll wait until R1 finishes its thinking part. Okay, so finally we have the answer from DeepSeek R1 as well. The word strawberry is spelled like this, breaking it down: STRAWBERRY. The letter R appears 3 times in strawberry, so the answer is 3, which is correct. O1, I think O1 needs some more tokens. It is not available for the free version, and we are running a free version over here. So I think that's why we could not see the answer of that. Okay, so I think it performed really well. Now if we go into a new room and we can test out with some another problem. Let's say healthy lifestyle. I'm looking to adopt a healthier lifestyle. Could you help me plan a balanced diet and a weekly exercise routine suitable for a beginner? Okay, that's quite a question which many of us want answer of. So both the models are thinking about this, and let's wait for the answers. Okay, so by the time DeepSeek R1 is generating its answer, we can have a look at the Gemini 2.0 Flash answer. Okay, I can definitely help you get started on a healthier lifestyle with a balanced diet and an exercise routine. Remember, the key to success for beginners is starting slow. That's correct. Being consistent. Yeah, I'm not. And making a sustainable changes rather than attempting drastic overhauls. That's correct. Balanced diet. Focus on whole foods. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Choose whole grains. Include lean protein. Right. Don't fear healthy fats. You should definitely add them. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt. Stay hydrated. Much important. Sample diet. It gave, like, usually these diets are not that efficient until you define who you are, what region are you from, what is your age, what is your occupation, is it sedentary, or are you having a healthy lifestyle. So the diet depends on that as well. So it just gave a general diet plan. Hydration, aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Carry a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. Blah blah blah. Pretty good advices. Tips for success with your diet: start gradually, plan your meals, cook at home more often, read food labels, don't restrict severely. I think it has done some great job over here with the diet part and with the exercise part as well. It is also suggesting to warm up and cool down after each workout. This is very good. Bodyweight strengthening exercise, squats, push-ups, lunges. Pretty good, pretty awesome. Let's check if okay. DeepSeek is also done with its answer. It is writing it. Healthy lifestyle plan, balanced diet. Key principles: proportions. Aim for 50% veggies, 25 whole grains, 25 protein. My plate model, quite good because you need fiber, which is very important for your digestion. Hydration, 8 to 10 cups of water daily. Portion control, variety and whole foods. Sample diet: breakfast, snack, lunch. Again, which I told you, the general diet which usually people have, or a generalized diet without knowing your age, your activity levels. They can suggest that. And weekly exercise routine: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The best part is it has distributed the day wise exercise. It has given you the day wise exercise. Monday, 30 minutes of brisk walk or cycling. Tuesday, strength training. Wednesday, rest or stretching, yoga. Thursday, 30 minutes of swimming. Friday, strength training. Saturday, Sunday, rest. It has given us a progression tip as well. After 2-3 weeks, add 5 minutes to cardio or a third strength set. Introduce light weights or resistant bands gradually. Cool. So if we compare the two models, the responses given by two models, I think Gemini 2.0 gave me a descriptive yet motivating answer, whereas R1 gave me pretty straightforward, but you can say a categorized answer. It distributed my activity based on the days of the week, what I should do on which day of the week, and it gave me progression tips. It gave me some success tips. We also got that in Gemini 2.0, but Gemini 2.0 was a bit descriptive and motivating, whereas R1 gave me a breakdown of how my week should look like. Okay, now let's explore the other features of OpenRouter. So talking about the browse feature. So here you can filter the model, you can search the model, you can filter the model by top, weekly, or price low to high, price high to low, context high to low. You have different sections over here. Modality, that means what type of model do you need? Do you need a text to text, text to image? What context length do you need? What should be the prompt pricing? And should it be a GPT series or a BERT series or a Gemini series? Role play, what category do you need? Do you need it for programming? And many more parameters you have over here. You can just choose one of the parameter, and you whatever is your requirement, you can go for that. Talking about ranking, they have a ranking tab which we already explored. Okay, so the most amazing part which I feel about OpenRouter is its API access, or the docs. It has given a separate documentation of how you can access different models using OpenRouter, the API of OpenRouter, and using the OpenAI SDK, you using the OpenRouter API directly. You have tons of code over here. You don't have to worry about this. It's just pretty much copy pasting if you are very new to programming, and if you are if you are intermediate, or you know how to code well. This is just a piece of cake for you. It has given you the models. I think, yeah, explore and browse 300 plus models and providers on our website. I think we have saw that already. And it provides you with prompt caching. Prompt caching is a different concept where you save the cost of processing your input by caching the prompt to your LLM. So if you want a piece of code to or you can say, if you want a prompt which should be evaluated every time you make an API call to your LLM. So instead of sending that prompt again and again to the LLM, what you can do is you can cache that prompt to the LLM, and you can ask it to remember that prompt basically, and to use it whenever I make you an API call. So that's called prompt caching. Web search, and plenty of things in the API as well. So I think that is it. So I think this was it. This was about OpenRouter. You should definitely check this out if you are an LLM enthusiast and you want to explore different models, and you need to specifically find out which model would go with your requirements, with your daily tasks. And if you like this video, comment down which part did you like. And for more such updates, follow, subscribe our page AI Bros, and I see you in the next video. Bye.